Hi and welcome to my channel. This is my first video and I wanted to share a tutorial on Joaquin Phoenix's Joker that was released at the beginning of October. So starting off with the bare face, I'm taking some white water activated Snazaroo face paint on a Real Techniques beauty sponge. This is one of my old ones, so I didn't want the foundation to contaminate the white, so I cut it in half, and I also mixed in some white concealer just to make the colour go on my skin a bit better and for more of an opaque colour. Now, there are some Easter eggs in this video from the film itself, so I'd recommend, if you haven't seen the film already, what are you doing? Go and watch the film and then come back to my video, please, if you remember. So, I loved this film. It was so good, and I've never seen any other DC films before, but it was so freaking good. I loved every minute of it, and the style of makeup that I've chosen to do is from the stairs scene, which was the most perfect that his makeup was in the entire film, and it was also one of my favourite scenes from the film. I really enjoyed it because there was little to no CGI, in the sense that no one was flying around, and while I love getting lost in films, I also like to have a sense of reality too, and I thought it was a good topic to discuss in this current climate and current social, I wouldn't say behaviours, but how things are going socially. So it was very good. Here is an Easter egg right there. And in a few moments, you should be able to see one boyfriend. There he is. Hi. He sat on the floor. So here is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Insomniac. And I carved out the brows, the upper triangles on the brows. And if you noticed in the film, I certainly did, that his brows were not exactly symmetrical. So I tried my best to make my own symmetrical because I'm a Capri Sun, and my face shape is different. So, yeah. And then this was the tricky bit, trying not to poke myself in the eye underneath. But I managed it. Just doing a little teardrop there. Now, any giggling or laughter you see in this video is real, because me and my boyfriend were just chatting and he'd obviously said a few things that were funny, so I did laugh, and I just thought I'm going to keep these into the video even if I look goofy. So now I'm taking the Avon Mark liquid lip lacquer, and that is in the shade Irresistible, and this is amazing. It stays on all day and it doesn't dry out your lips. I absolutely love it. So I used that for his eyebrows and the nose, which was pretty easy. This is such an easy tutorial. You only need 3 colours, and they're mostly colours that you'd have anyway. I mean, you could really get away with a really white foundation if you had that. And then the next part of this tutorial that I didn't show was the hair. I just got some green hairspray from the shop. There's a party shop down the road from the Airbnb that we were staying in, and I just spray painted my hair with that. The shirt is from Primark, and the jacket is an old one that I've got from Matalan. So here's the finished look. I'm super duper happy with it and how it turned out. It was so easy to achieve. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments below what your favourite part of the film was, and hope to see you again soon. Bye!